Hiya, welcome back to Rocks Campers. So this one is going to be a quick demonstration of how to use the water and how to change the water tanks on our camper van. So a bit like with the gas locker, this cupboard here is where your water tanks are stored. So inside here we've got the left hand side, which is your fresh water, and then we have waste on the right hand side. So you don't need to worry about any type of switching with the tap. It's on a permanent on switch, so just lift it up and then it's just on and then off. And then we'll just go through now how to just change this water if you need to fill it up. So with the water, fairly self-explanatory, just release this catch here to let the bottle come loose. And then what you need to do is just on this top section here, you just want to lift this seal up. You kind of have to just get your nail under it a bit, but you will find that this top bit just comes off fairly easily. There we go, so that just comes off like that. And then if you have got a bit of water left in here, so there's a few litres of water left in here at the moment, what you want to do is just pull these pipes upwards and just let the last little bit of water drain off the pump. And then you just need to just wiggle that around until the pipe wants to come off, and then yeah, just pop that down on the side there, and then you can take your water container out, go off to the tap and fill it up, and then it really is just a very simple reverse process. So just slide the pump back in there all the way down to the bottom, and then just push this seal back onto the top. It will be a little bit stiff to get back on because obviously as you pull the pipes it moves, but just push that on there and make sure it's all seated home. And then we'll just connect the strap back up so that you don't slosh water around while you're driving off. So that's the fresh water. The wastewater really is just exactly the same process. So this one, you just want to pull that pipework out of the top, make sure there's no water about to drain out, and then you can just remove the container and then just go and empty that wherever you need to. And then again, just pop that back in there, tuck it up to the side, and then just put that back in there. And that really is as simple as it gets with the water. I tend to, when traveling, just leave the plug out, and just any remaining water in here while you're driving, depending if you're parked on a slope or something, will just drain off into that container. And that's it. That's how to use the water in our camper van. So there we go, nice simple setup here, just a cold water tap, and then we also went through there how to change the fresh and the wastewater. So hopefully you found it useful. Don't forget to give the channel a follow. It makes it easy for you guys to find the videos when you're out and about in the van, and we'll be back with another instruction video soon.